Hi guys, today's video is going to be a Five Below haul. So if you're not following me on Instagram, I think Instagram is actually who always gets full control mostly of any polls that I do. So I went to Instagram and asked how much they wanted me to spend at Five Below. And I think the option was $40 or $100. And $100 won out. So I went into Five Below and I'll say, I actually did not hit the mark. I spent, I think, the receipt is somewhere in here. I think I spent 70. Yeah, here's the receipt. I ended up spending $77.13. I really went throughout the store and just trying to find what I really wanted to take home with me. And this is what I walked away with. But I feel like what I did miss were the slimes. I feel like if I would have remembered to get some slimes, I would have hit the $100 mark now that I think about it. I've been into slimes lately as like a stress reliever. So really like it. So quick update is, in case you're wondering when I'm gonna be out of the Airbnb and into my house so that we can begin decorating the house, because if you know, I moved out of my Florida house, sold it, that's all behind me now, but I also sold basically almost everything. Like I don't have a bed, I don't have a mattress, I don't have TV stands, I don't have my entryway table, like all that decor that you guys have seen with me throughout the years, I just did not bring any of that back with me because it just was too costly to ship it back, because I know what I spent going there, and I said, hell no, not doing that twice. So decorating videos are coming back, and for all the holidays and all the things, I'm very excited. I already have like exactly how I want my bedroom to be, my office to be. I already have all the design plans. So not only are we gonna be designing each room from a normal standpoint, but then we're also gonna be doing holiday decorating. The other update I want to tell you guys is an interesting video. I'm gonna post an interesting video tomorrow. I actually had no plans to post this video. And don't miss it. That's all I'm gonna say. Don't miss it. So anyways, let's just kind of get into this Five Below haul and I'll show you guys what I found. So the first thing that stood out to me were these really cute clear storage boxes. These were probably $5 each. I mean, who can resist a cute little storage box, especially if you like a crafty and you have a crafting room or like your own little space. Like I just can't walk away from these freaking things to save my life. Is anyone else like this? So I got 2 of them. I figured, you know, in the future craft room, I really want to do some heavy, like good organization in there. Then I found these 2 adorable notebooks. Notebooks also get me, anything gets me. Like, let's just face it. What? Start a list of what gets me. Pens, tissue paper, notebooks, erasers, calculators, it all gets me. But these are so cute. I think they were $5, I'm not entirely sure, but it's labeled as a sensory toy. And what's interesting is that the age on here is 3+. I don't know, is that normal for a spiral notebook for a 3-year-old? But I guess maybe to color in, but it is really cool. There's these little like jelly things in here. And so this one's a little lemon slices, and then this one has strawberry slices, and I just thought it was so freaking cute. So got those. Then, you know, if I see it, you already know what's gonna happen. I'm a collector of obviously everything. You can also comment what I collect. It's really the comment section will probably show that I just hoard everything, but I found the label of the composition notebook very unique. I haven't seen a label quite like this. So I wanted to go ahead and grab the black and the purple. These were $1. So, you know, just wanna, just a little shout out to, I don't know, the Dollar Tree CEO that we're now paying $1.25 for our composition notebooks, but that's neither here nor there. So there's that. And look who got a toy. I don't know if he's gonna tear into this. If you didn't watch my Walmart haul, I got Loki a little fish toy, and under 5 minutes, it went into pieces. Oh boy. This was $4. It is a Flat Jack's dog toy, plush with jumbo speaker. Ooh, just what I need. Here he comes. What's his toy? Come up here so everyone can see you. Come up here. Come here. Oh boy. Come on. I'm just gonna come here and get it. Let them come here. No, don't do that again. All right, he just wants it. Go around. There you go. He's off. I'll give you guys the update later. Maybe through editing, I'll let you know if it lasted. Okay, also in the section with the composition notebook, they had a bunch of cute little things. It very much reminded me of like Target dollar spot kind of thing. So, and they are scented pencils. So we've got a strawberry scented and a grape scented. I'm even going to keep the box and use them for junk journaling. So, super cute, right? So it's cute little pencils, and they're just, here's what the pencil looks like. Very adorable. So I got those. And then what else was in that section? I thought I got, did I not? Oh yeah, then I got these paper clips. I think they were also part of that little area, and they were $1. I don't know. I just like the paper clips, I guess. I also picked up some playing cards for $1. I'm in an Airbnb, so for me, one, not having a life and nothing to do, I have been playing a lot of solitaire. And you know what? It's been a damn good time. So I got these cards, but I also love the cards for junk journaling as well. They're just really great to like craft with. And I don't have these. I thought they were really pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and open them up and show you guys what they look like. All right, so here's the outside of the blue. Oh, I'm obsessed with that. Oh, they are so cool and unique. I don't have any that look like that. These are gonna look so good in a Halloween junk journal. Okay, next up, I picked up some face masks, and hopefully I'm not boring you to death with this, but junk journaling is like, I've been on the hunt for a hobby for years now, and I think I found the one that like makes me the happiest, and it's junk journaling. And so now when I shop, I look at everything and think, how could it be junk journal item? So I saw these face masks, and what I liked the most about it was how vibrant and colorful they looked. That's what really like grabbed my attention. So I bought them from a junk journaling perspective. However, I will use them first. So what I'm gonna try to do is I'm gonna take a pair of scissors and just try to cut into it, maybe from the bottom, as clean as I can, so that I can keep all of this in like good form. And then I can like punch holes and add it into my junk journal and just like use the cover. You know, I just thought it was cute. So I'll just go through the masks now. But that's really what got me to get them. Like, look at that. Are you kidding me? Then I found a Jolly Rancher one. I thought that was really cute. It also looks vintage. That's another thing for me. And then even the Care Bears look vintage. They look like the original design of them, not like the updated 2020 versions of them, you know? So, letting you know I did that. Also with Crazy Eights or any sort of cards, junk journaling, like, what do you want me to tell you? So, just to show you guys, yeah, oh my God, these are amazing. Anything with like big numbers and vibrant colors, it's really going to be like such a good item for junk journaling. I'm gonna link some people that you guys need to watch in case you want to know. Also, some people to follow on Instagram. Some of them, I wish they would have YouTube channels. I don't know if they do. I don't think they do, but. So I got those. I also got Slapjack. You can see for $1 as well. So let's look at those from a junk journaling. But obviously, if you're not into junk journaling, but you have kids, these are gonna be great for the, you know, to add to your games, and also great to travel with. So that's what the back looks like. Oh, they're like jumbo playing cards. That is really cool. Absolutely love that. The aces are really cool. I love those. Where are the jacks in here? Oh, here's one. I also picked up these index cards, $1. They're bright neon. I just really liked all the colors. Once again, for junk journaling. So, all right, next up, all of this is like junk journaling. Like, oh, here's another mask. Look how pretty that is. So colorful. But yeah, I'll put them in my bathroom first. I'll actually use them and then I'll save them later. Kind of like clean them and wash them out and kind of get all this stuff out, let it dry a little bit and do that. Okay, then I found a Spot the Difference. One thing I do really like about Five Below is like their book section. Very unique stuff. That's why I really like them. They don't have like your typical things I think you would find. They have really unique things. So I found this one and it has a vintage images. And I was just like, yep, junk journaling. So if you watch junk journal videos, I mean, there's different ways to do it, but you could add these into your signature pages when you're like sewing them in. So had to get those. And then I saw these and I was just like, I have yet to really dive into these. So I've been chomping at the bits to get to this video so that I could see. But this is basically a wall collage kit, which Micah did this when she first went to Texas Tech and had her freshman dorm. We ordered some ones from Etsy because at the time they were just becoming a trend like 4-5 years ago. And we had to order them from Etsy. Now we're like seeing it in major stores, so that's crazy. But I'll show you guys what they are in case you don't know. But the moment I saw them, I was like, that is going to be absolutely perfect for, you guessed it, junk journaling. Okay, so you get these little sticker things, which I don't know what that's for if I'm being honest, but they're just like posters. Oh my God, this is yes. I am so happy with this. I'll just kind of flip through every single image so that you guys can see it. Loki's playing with his toy. Like, look at this ice cream cone, or the scoops, that is so cute. And then you like, if you wanted it for decor, you just basically arrange them on your wall like a little collage, you know? Yeah, these are gonna be so great. Like, I love this one for junk journaling. Shoes, flowers. Was that the start? No, this was the start. So that's awesome, very excited about that. Then I found this one. These were the only options they had. These were probably $5 each. They're probably at the top of the pricing. And I'm gonna flip through all of them as well. Oh, that's really cool. That's a sidewalk with people. Oh, the map is really cool. Oh, yeah. Oh, Seattle. Oh my gosh. Big Ben. And it's just like kind of places all around the world, actually. Oh my gosh, so cool. I cannot believe this is at Five Below. Like, what? Ooh, this reminds me of Sleepless in Seattle. Oh, that's cool. I've only seen the Statue of Liberty from JFK, or I don't know if you can see it. I don't remember, I was younger. Maybe I've never seen it. I think I have, like, from the airplane for sure, but I've never, like, been outside the JFK airport, though. Okay, so got those. And then the very last things, it's a junk journaling haul. But look at these cute little pocket games. Monopoly, Connect 4, and Operation. And of course, I was just like, I gotta use that for junk journaling. So it shows you like all the little pieces that are inside, which is really cool. And yeah, I was very excited for these. These are probably one of my top favorite things in this entire haul. Like when I was putting all this stuff in the basket, I was the most excited for this and the masks and this. So anyways, that is my Five Below haul. I know I didn't quite hit 100, so my apologies to Instagram who chose the dollar amount. Is gonna be it for today. I'm gonna try to do another one of these dollar amount challenges, so go subscribe to my Instagram if you want to be able to vote about what I do with that. But that's it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget tomorrow's very interesting video. I don't even know what. I'm not surprised anymore that this is like that my life is like going up in flames, but I'll see you there. Bye.